Tangol Dowlino, Iemakion. Amulinya bugunye, Jarayangi Shuino. Tangol Dowlino, Iemakion. Amulinya bugunye, Jarayangi Shuino. Orena Nado, Wangare Shumara. Dada Yango, Nabolonga Rubolo. Nijagari wororela babalai edagilda ujan erumyangi shuingeju. It was in 1997 when I was 9 years old, when the whole place was affected by a very bad drought, which lasted for about 2 years without any rains. I saw everything perishing in front of my eyes. Oh, it was really bad. The nature was destroyed, and there was no place I could seek refuge. The trees were crying for help, but nature did not come to their rescue. As the flowers were drying up and water was nowhere, and the animals were all vanishing as they succumbed to the intense heat. Oh my God, it was like a dream when I saw a tiny cloud on the sky. I ran with joy to the house, calling my younger brother, "Samuel, come and see what I just saw in the clouds," I shouted with joy. In a blink of an eye, the weather started to change. The clouds became dark, heavier, and started to be promising. The animals, the trees, and the flowers were looking at the sky with the expectation and great hope of getting a drop of water. The stones were so dry that you cannot separate with the soil, and the dry logs were lying all over. There was nowhere to get fresh air from, for the whole place was filled with dead animal carcasses. At last, there was a heavy downpour. With joy and shouting, we ran outside with my brother, while the other people from the neighborhood came along to join us with joy. The shower swept away all the bad things in the land, and within a few days, all the nature was revived back to life again. It was my joy to see all the living things jumping with joy and enjoying fresh air again. Yeah.